What's up, guys? This is a brand new 2021 Seadoo move trailer, and I'm going to talk about a few things here about how to set these up for your skis, but most of all this video is about problems with these trailers. Okay, this thing is brand hammer new. I've had it 5 days, and I'm actually on my way to the dealership after I make this video to see what they're going to try to tell me for BS and see what they're going to do to deal with this. She's brand new, freshly inspected, right from Kentful Bombardier dealer, so, or Coldbrook rather. So the first thing is the new trailers have a sealed plug here instead of just the old crap one, so that's one good thing. Bad thing is I still do not like these little cables. The hooks on them are not very big. It's kind of a very dinky setup for the amount of weight that's there. I'm not even sure, you know, down the road when these cables start to rust and rot, especially in here where they bend, I'm probably going to end up doing something different there, putting chain on or something, because that's just not that strong. So that's a minor issue. I'm going to talk about the major issue with this trailer, and that is I'm quite sure they've put too large of a tire onto it. But seeing the yard and how they're set up, these trailers come in kits, so I just want you to take a close look here and look at this. That's from my tire rubbing and hitting the fender. Okay? And if you actually look at the tire, it's even got the tire chewed up on the edges from hitting. I can't even so much as stick my baby finger in between this tire and fender, and that axle is sitting on a leaf spring. Okay? So that axle is clearly designed to move and absorb bumps, and every time that happens, that tire is hitting into that fender. And I will say that the spots that I launched this are very smooth. It's not like I'm backing over a rock pile to get this thing in the water. So, quite sure the tire's too big, but I also want to point this out, that my girlfriend noticed this, not me, right off the bat. See these fenders? Okay, these fenders are mounted to a plate that is factory welded to the frame, so it's designed for these fenders and for these fenders to fit, because you can stand on them. That's why there's it's like a 4-inch wide metal plate welded right to the trailer. Okay? The U-bolt for the leaf spring is not even in the hole for the fender. It's shoved ahead. And then if you look over here, this one's shoved back. I mean, yeah, it's kind of in the hole, but not really. But now this is the good side. As soon as I got this home, second day I had it. Look at this. Okay? So, when you buy something brand new, myself personally, I don't like having to deal with crap like this. And if you look, once again, the U-bolt is not even in the groove for the fender. Same as up here, it's on the far front side. But I still don't think if we adjust that, that's going to totally fix this issue. And even with this one being broke, you still can't even get your baby finger in between there. So these trailers are cheap, you know, $2,900 Canadian, get you a brand new double trailer. But you know, you buy something brand new, you shouldn't have to go through stuff like this in your first few days of owning it. So when I brought it to Bombardier's attention, they said, oh, we'll bring it up, we'll put a new fender onto it, you can pay for it, blah blah blah. I said, no, I said, this is your guys' issue, I want it fixed. And for me, it boils down to, I have friends that drive motorcycles, and you know, let's say there's a motorcycle behind me on the freeway. This happened driving like under 100 kilometers an hour. Let's say I want to go into my friends in the city on the highway. I hit one of them beautiful bridges that are paved so nicely, and it decides to bust this off the front side, say, and this fender lets go of this trailer and goes back and wipes Buddy out 50 feet behind you on a motorcycle. No one's going to feel good about that at the end of the day. So me as a customer, I'm going to try not to let Bombardier neglect this situation. I've brought it to their attention. Like I said, we're leaving here shortly. I'm going to head up, and they're going to hopefully give me an answer to what they're going to do, which, trust me, I'll be sure to let you guys know. But if you're going to pick one of these up brand new, hopefully you watch this video first. Have a look at this stuff when you go to buy your trailer, and just, you know, throw me a comment or whatever and see if they've got them built the same way. The other big issue with these trailers a lot of times is the wiring. I actually was given a trailer for a loaner to use until this one was ready, and the side marker light wasn't working. Brand new trailer. So when I pulled the side marker light out and started extracting the harness, they've got the harness run from here back to that tail light. When I started pulling the harness out, the harness pulled right out of my hand, and the guys never even had it plugged in. So just my suggestion, when you buy one of these trailers brand new from these fellas, plug it into your truck, make sure all the lights work, have a look at the fender and tire size and the issue that I've showed you here, and just try to get it dealt with before you get out of the yard. That way you're not wasting time driving back and forth. I've got almost an hour haul to get there, and you know, this is my trailer, so I gotta haul it with my skis onto it. Not really a perfectly ideal situation. So hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully they deal with this for me this morning, and when they do, I'll be sure to give you the answers on it.